Pooja Khedkar continues to be one of our top focus stories here on Times Now. You're watching it with me, Meghna Deka. But first up, let's get you all the updates. Well, there are more skeletons which are tumbling out of the Pooja Khedkar case. The trainee IAS officer, who is at the center of a controversy over alleged misuse of power and privileges, has not just allegedly submitted fake documents, but Times Now has also accessed her UPSC application that reveals more lies. Well, Times Now has accessed her Central Administrative Tribunal applications from two different years, 2020 and 2023, which shows that not only did she change her name as well as her age in these applications. You can see those two on your screens. While in 2020, her official name in the documents was stated as Dr. Khedkar Pooja Dilip Rao. In 2023, the documents show her name to be Miss Pooja Manorama Dilip Khedkar. And it's not just that. These documents also very clearly show that while her age was mentioned to be 30 years in 2020, in a span of 3 years, it only increased by 1 year. That's right. Her age, allegedly in 2023 application that you can see on your screens, is merely 31 instead of what it should have been 3 years back. So it's very interesting. So essentially, it's a story of two different forms that we have managed to access, all of them by one person. Not only are the names different, even the date is different of her birth, and her age seems to have varied as per. So what really is the larger mystery? But the bigger point here is that why has the system failed to detect Pooja Khedkar and the likes of her? Are there other Pooja Khedkars also who have used these loopholes to try and get away with a post that they didn't deserve, that they didn't have the merit to get? Well, those are the big questions which now need to be answered. Of course, the probe is currently on. They are looking into what really had happened. But even as we speak about Pooja Khedkar, the two forms which are now emerging, there are these series of generational favors that seem to have been taken. In fact, let's in fact get you this latest victim which is coming in. Pooja Khedkar is again playing the victim card, is what we are picking up. Listen into this confrontation sequence when Times Now puts some straight questions to Pooja Khedkar. Watch how she uses this different victim card to try and get away with this kind of misappropriation of a position and power.
मैम कल रात पुलिस आई थी घर पे, क्या कहेंगे, क्यों आई थी पुलिस?
माझा मीडियाला एक रिक्वेस्ट आहे की प्लीज तुम्ही मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन स्प्रेड करणं प्लीज बंद करा. पोलीस काहीही चौकशीसाठी वगैरे कशासाठीही आली नव्हती. माझं काम होतं म्हणून मी पोलिसांना बोलवलं होतं, त्याच्यासाठी पोलीस आली होती. फिमेल कर्मचारी होत्या त्या आणि मी त्यांना बोलवलं होतं माझ्या कामासाठी, म्हणून ते आल्या.
पुलिस क्यों पहुंची थी मैम, आप उस चीज का स्पष्टीकरण खुद कर दीजिए.
हाँ, मैं वही कह रही हूँ कि जो मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन है आप विदाउट उसको जांच किए आप प्लीज उसको स्प्रेड मत कीजिए. पुलिस को कल जो फीमेल पुलिस कर्मचारी थी 2-3 उनको मैंने बुलवाया था क्योंकि मुझे कुछ काम था, इसीलिए फीमेल कर्मचारी कल मेरे घर पे आए.
मैम, आपकी मदर का एक वीडियो वायरल हो रहा है जिसमें एमएमआरडी कर्मचारियों से झगड़ा करके उनके अपना भौंस दिखाते हुए नजर आ रही है, क्या कहेंगे?
नहीं, उस विषय में आप मुझसे रिलेटेड जो है आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन उस विषय में मैं एक्चुअली कुछ कमेंट नहीं कर सकती.
पुलिस को आपने बुलाया था कि इस केस से जुड़ा हुआ मामला है या क्या?
नहीं, वही मैं अभी उसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बता सकती, बट जब भी वो होगा तो सबके सामने वो जो भी आ जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कुछ हिडन है, जो भी है सबके सामने आ रहा है.
कमेटी ने आपको कब तक बुलाया स्टेटमेंट के लिए? क्या कमेटी की ओर से?
नहीं, ये जो कमेटी का कम्युनिकेशन होता है आपको भी पता है, इसको फ्री फ्रॉम एनी इंटरफेरेंस रखने के लिए ये पूरा कॉन्फिडेंशियल होता है, इसीलिए ये पब्लिक के साथ या मीडिया के साथ ये शेयर नहीं किया जा सकता. इसलिए मैं नहीं कर सकती.
मैम, आपके पेरेंट्स से कोई बातचीत आपकी हुई है?
मैम, आपके कई सर्टिफिकेट सामने आए हैं जिसमें आपकी एज जो है वो भी आप पोस्ट करती हुई नजर आ रही है, आपके एज डिफरेंसेस नजर आ रहे हैं.
See, the committee is set up for that. Whatever is there, whatever are the documents, whatever my submission is there, whatever the experts will decide, they will decide it, and I think we should wait for the decision of the committee and we should respect.
11 वेळा तुमची वेगवेगळ्या नावानं तुमची डॉक्युमेंट दिली आणि तुम्ही एक्झाम दिली असं म्हणून आरोप आहे
तेच मी तुम्हाला म्हणते की कमिटी समोर आता जर तुम्ही म्हणताय तर कमिटी समोर येईलच ना ती गोष्ट.
दररोज नवीन नवीन आरोप होत आहेत.
दररोज नवीन नवीन फेक गोष्टी समोर येत आहेत. तेच मी तुम्हाला सांगते की फेक न्यूज याच्यामध्ये
प्लॅन नाही का कोणाचा असं वाटतं का? मला असं वाटतं का? कारण की अनेक वेळा तुमच्या संबंधितच विषय असे बाहेर निघत आहेत.
आता तुम्हीच बघा की रोज काहीतरी नवीन, असं कुठला व्यक्ती असतो की ज्याच्या रोज काहीतरी नवीन असतं. मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन स्प्रेड केली जाते आणि प्लीज हे माझं खूप जास्त डिफेमेशन होत चाललेलं आहे. माझं प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट आहे मीडियाला सुद्धा की प्लीज एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल मीडिया म्हणून तुम्ही बिहेव करा. माझा मीडियावर खूप भरोसा आहे. वी यूज इट फॉर व्हेरियस गव्हर्नमेंट इंटरव्हेन्शन ऑल्सो. सो मीडिया इज कन्सिडर्ड द 4th पिलर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. जेव्हा असं असताना माझी मीडियाला पण रिक्वेस्ट आहे की प्लीज तुम्हाला जी काही इन्फॉर्मेशन मिळेल ती तुम्ही प्लीज मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन म्हणून स्प्रेड करू नका.
लेकिन मैम कोई कंफर्मेशन तो करेगा
कोई सामने
इसीलिए तो एक्सपर्ट कमेटी रखी हुई है कि वो
वहाँ
कंफर्मेशन
से
हो.
इनको नहीं मिल रहा है मैम, आप भी कुछ बता नहीं रही हैं. आप अगर कुछ
वो
बताएं.
इन्फॉर्मेशन इसीलिए आपको नहीं मिल रहा है टू कीप इट फ्री एंड फेयर. जो हम जब हमारा इलेक्शन प्रोसेस भी होता है तो इट इज ऑलवेज केप्ट फ्री एंड फेयर, फ्री फ्रॉम इंटरफेरेंस, जस्ट बिकॉज द प्रोसेस शुड बी स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलोड, ताकि इसमें किसी का नेगेटिव इंटरफेरेंस ना हो. इसीलिए आपको ये जो कॉन्फिडेंशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन है ये शेयर ना करने के पीछे यही उसका कारण है. देयर इज नो अदर रीजन, जस्ट टू कीप इट ओपन, फ्री एंड फेयर, एंड वेन एवर द डिसीजन विल बिकम पब्लिक इट इज ओपन टू यू ऑल. मैं खुद आपको कॉपी दूंगी उसकी कि जब ये डिसीजन पब्लिक हो जाएगा.
रात में पुलिस जो आई थी किस मुद्दे को लेकर आई थी, कितने घंटे थी?
पुलिस को मैंने बुलाया था, पुलिस आई नहीं थी. प्लीज करेक्ट योर स्टेटमेंट. एंड आई हैड सम वर्क विद देम एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई हैड कॉल्ड द पुलिस. बाकी पुलिस किसी भी जांच के लिए या किसी इसके लिए नहीं आई.
आपको कोई फंसा रहा क्या?
Well, there you have it. We have Pooja Khetkar coming out and saying essentially that first, that there was a committee already looking into it, so not to ask her any questions. She also plays the victim card, says that this is a media trial which is being carried out. When we asked her very straight questions as to why 2 different firms have 2 different ages, 2 different names, all she could say that stop spreading fake news. Can you imagine? She was telling the media that we should not be spreading any kind of fake news, and also had said that this is interference in the probe, which is why she need not answer anything regarding that. She was asked about her mother. She ducked those questions as well. So there you have it. Pooja Khetkar, who is now accused of serious anomalies in the way that she became a trainee IAS officer today, is ducking all the questions. Let me go across to Shrishti, who's joining us. Shrishti, again, she's playing the victim card. Instead of taking onus for the actions, instead of giving any straight questions and answers to the questions that we put to her, Pooja Khetkar finds it easier to call the media the villain here, saying that we are spreading fake news and carrying out a trial.
Well, it's certainly not a fake news. It's all the documents and the criminal orders, tribunal court's order, which is at place. There are multiple disability certificates. There are multiple, vision impaired certificates, multiple certificates for which she has opted for. There was a certificate from the owned hospital as well. It mentioned that this is a duplication and that's why we cannot issue the certificate. However, she has got the disability certificate from Pimpri Hospital as well. From Ahmednagar Hospital also, she got disability certificate. And why this is so? To get the disability quota in UPSC exams. Now, one has to understand that the UPSC considers the PWBD 5 quota, under which there are provisions that a person who has certainly less marks, that can also get in and get the IS post. And this is all is coming to fore that this is entirely managed to get that particular quota, and not only the medical quota but also OBC non-criminal certificate. In several instances, be it for UPSC, be it for her MBBS admission, she has opted for non-criminal OBC quota. And certainly the family, which has more than 40 crores of assets, how they are opting for non-criminal quota, and that is a big question. However, the high-headedness and the entitlement is what we can see in the entire family. We have an exclusive video of Pooja's mother wherein she is lashing out at the metro officials as well as she is lashing out at the police who has came here. This is the incidents from 2022 when the construction work of Pune Metro was going on between Shivaji Nagar to Hinjewadi, and Pooja's mother felt that was disturbing and she came out lashing on the officials with the bouncers, and she kept on shouting at them, and that's what is coming to fore. And there are certain visuals. That particular visual is just outside the Pooja Khedkar's residence where we are present right now. And this is the exact wall which is given in that particular video, wherein when we spoke to that particular official, he said that we were shocked that the kind of behavior Pooja's mother was showing was absolutely wrong, and she mentioned that as I'm saying, we are very influential people, so that then the official used to go to her house, talk to her, sometimes he used to call her, take her permission to do the work, and that kind of authority she was throwing at a high level officer. He's not some mid-level.
So that's a very important point. Let me take that across to Nilesh. Nilesh, it's not just about Pooja Khedkar. How in 2007 she said there was no disability. 2020 we have a form where she says she has a different name and she was 30 years old. In 2023 she says that she was actually only 31 years when she should have aged by 3 years, and a different name again. It's not just that, but also the generational entitlement of this family of Khedkars. That too is now coming to light, and it's important for us to understand the larger context, isn't it?
Well, absolutely, and specifically if we talk about Pooja Khedkar, there's a very simple strategy that she has been opting for, and it is, if you can't justify yourself, you start blaming others, because there are multiple instances when we tried to confront her, tried to get her side, spoke about her questions that the journal citizens of India are asking with this administrative failure. Pooja repetitively has been taking a defense of the committee, stating that whatever information is coming out is falsified. She goes on saying that she is among only a few individuals whose data is regularly leaked on daily basis, and media is misinforming people. However, when we asked quoting these documents, she remains silent and dodges our questions. So this speaks volumes about her, what the claims are, the serious allegations that are charged upon her, which she has been dodging completely. And when asked about this exclusive video which has been accessed by Times Network and Shrishti, got this video of her mother threatening the officials, she again remains silent and says she would be not able to answer such questions. Why she is not able to answer?
This is the second time that the video has gone viral of her mother abusing and threatening people. Last time around, it was with her brandishing a pistol in her hand. So we'll have to wait and see what really comes out of the probe committee. But even now, when we put some very straight questions to Pooja Khedkar, instead of denying the proof that we've put out on your screens as well, instead of denying it, she instead tried to play the victim card and called out the media for allegedly holding a media trial against her. Well, this is the evidence which is coming to light. We are only doing our job. Thank you so much, Nilesh, as well as Shrishti.
Then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.